Hi guys and welcome. In this short video, I'll show you the best email marketing service. After trying a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that worked 100% for me. I make over $25,000 a month with this service, and I've been using it for 8 years now. Users of this service get a clear and easy-to-use analytics toolkit that allows them to track user conversions. I'm going to leave the link under this video, so check this out, and let's not waste time, and let's get started.
This service provides high-quality email marketing services, features, and resources for businesses of all sizes. With its full feature set, hundreds of templates, and a great mobile marketing feature, Aweber is really worth giving a try. Don't believe me? Let's go to the overview. Aweber truly strives to be the primary email marketing tool for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Rather than partnering with third-party companies, Aweber uses its own email delivery system, and the service appears to be constantly improving to stay competitive in the marketplace. Everything you need for business. Although Aweber was one of the first services to offer autoresponders, the technology is outdated. However, Aweber is constantly adding new features such as automation in an effort to beat the competition. Drag and drop builder for email marketing campaigns with automation. In addition to notification emails, that is to say one-off, you can also send out series of emails called campaign in Aweber. The email marketing campaign builder is very easy to use. You just need to drag one of the options available to you, send message, wait, edit tag from the left panel. You can create a simple autoresponder by combining message and waiting blocks, but more importantly, you also get access to several more advanced automation features. By clicking on the messages block, which you previously transferred to the constructor, you can insert into it a template of the letter that will be sent after the campaign is completed. When you click on this email block again, a panel with automation parameters will open on the right. You can add or remove a tag depending on whether the subscriber opens the email or follows the link in the email. One campaign can launch another when a tag is added to a subscriber. While this functionality is sufficient for small business owners, it is unlikely for an advanced email marketer to work effectively. Other email marketing tools have a broader set of triggers, for example, visiting your site, unread email, etc., as well as conditional blocks, performing different actions based on user behavior. Functional split testing. This is a relatively new feature that does split testing to optimize your results. In the messages section of your control panel menu, there is an easily visible split tests icon. Please note that testing can only be done for notifications emails. Thanks to this feature, you will be able to understand what promotion of your subscribers should send a certain type of letter, up to 3 letters. Every time I visit the Aweber website, I realize that the number of available integration applications is increasing. With this, you can connect Aweber to other tools that you use. Currently, there are over 850 applications for integration with a wide range of tools. Here are some of the most popular ones: e-commerce, PayPal, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, ClickBank, website builders, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, Joomla, SMS, Burst SMS, Callfire SMS, CM Telecom SMS, social networks, Facebook, Twitter. Few email marketing platforms provide mobile apps. Aweber offers as many as 3, and they are available on both Android and iOS. Each mobile application has a specific purpose. Aweber Stats display your email statistics in real time. The ADA map allows you to add subscribers directly from your smartphone. You can connect it to a store or use it at an event. Curate lets you create newsletter emails. ConvertKit is an email marketing software primarily aimed at bloggers and people who sell products through an online store, but not people who want to target multiple audiences. Whether international or not, ConvertKit is not suitable for those without some technical knowledge, as there are options in the email editor that require pasting code snippets. ConvertKit has a great feature set. Its autoresponder, subscriber management, and form building capabilities are excellent. One area missing is the email editor. There is no menu item for creating an email. Instead, you need to select either the broadcast option or the sequence option. This is a major oversight, as creating an engaging email is the foundation of a successful campaign. So if you don't have the design and coding resources, you can only create a very simple email. There is a very limited set of email and newsletter templates, and the editing options are very basic. You can change style attributes such as background and content color, font, button color, and style. If you want to personalize the subject line, please copy and paste the code snippet. There are no preview, spam, or spell check options here. ConvertKit only includes a very few basic templates. Instead of using lists to manage subscribers, ConvertKit uses email tags. You can specify what these tags are and add any number of tags to the subscriber. When adding subscribers, you can choose which autoresponders, forms, and tags to add them to. ConvertKit also allows you to transfer subscribers from another email provider. ConvertKit is very analytics driven, and this extends to subscribers. If you run an online store, you can also get detailed reports on purchase metrics, including all the products your subscribers have purchased and what channels they use to get to the point of purchase. The ability to segment customers is key if you want to deliver personalized content tailored to a specific audience. With ConvertKit, you can add any number of conditions to create segments, including or excluding customers based on the criterion. You can apply the following conditions: location, date of subscription, and purchasing behavior. ConvertKit's landing page and form building functionality is excellent, and like all other features, it is presented in a beautifully designed user interface. Besides providing templates and the usual design editing options, ConvertKit adds a whole host of additional features. They include choosing an action to take when a customer fills out a form, automatically send promotional emails to new subscribers, change what is displayed to returning visitors, change the text displayed in search results and social media. ConvertKit provides many advanced form building options. Built-in forms and landing page reports show visitors, subscribers, and subsequent conversion rates, giving you an idea of whether you need to make changes. And if you don't have a website, don't worry, as ConvertKit hosts a landing page for you on its server and domain. Autoresponders are sequences of emails that are sent automatically when a customer performs an action or other condition is met, such as 3 days since the last email was sent. ConvertKit makes it easy to create complex autoresponders. The first step is to select a condition, action, or event. It includes adding and flagging new subscribers, filling out a questionnaire, purchase of goods. ConvertKit simplifies the process of creating autoresponders. ConvertKit also provides automation templates that you can use if you are not sure which steps are best for achieving your goal. These templates include host a webinar, launch product. Reach out to customers who haven't made a purchase yet. Newsletters are optimized to be sent based on when customers are most likely to open them. When you first log into ConvertKit, it asks you where you go from other email newsletter software, and if you already have your own website, he then adjusts the interface and parameters accordingly. ConvertKit also provides a checklist to help you get started with its email tools. Obviously, this solution is focused on managing subscribers, not creating beautiful emails, since the options are related to the mechanics of the campaign, not the email itself. ConvertKit provides a checklist to help you get started. ConvertKit provides many resources to help you familiarize yourself with the solution. When you use each feature for the first time, a demo video is displayed on the corresponding page to help you understand how it works and get the most out of each option. There is no main dashboard where you can get an overview of all aspects of your campaign. You can access all the different information in the respective menus. Since there is no way to create an email, you need to play around with the solution before you realize that you need to select the broadcast or sequences option from the menu. ConvertKit has very limited free plan that provides unlimited free landing pages and 30 premium email templates. If you want to send emails for free, you need to recommend a friend. ConvertKit's paid plans are expensive. Its least expensive plan, with only 1,000 subscribers, costs $29 a month. Pricing varies based on the number of subscribers, not the feature set.
Muzend is an affordable email marketing platform used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. With an easy-to-use interface, intuitive automation, and advanced lead segmentation, Muzend provides the robust set of tools you need to build and maintain strong customer relationships. The company has an intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate and quickly learned by newbies. It's extremely easy to create marketing campaigns with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to create engaging emails from scratch. Muzend includes over 40 different templates. Moozend includes advanced automation features in all of its plans, even for free trial accounts. Moozend Automation uses a visual workflow designer that includes welcome emails to subscribers, abandoned card reminders, and even lead ratings. There is also a library of recipes to help you save time during the setup process. We really love that Moozend provides all of its features across all of its plans, compared to some of its competitors who charge extra for some of their more advanced features. While Moozend provides many email capabilities, the software is not intended to be as an all-in-one marketing solution. Registration forms are extremely simple and require customization with code, and the built-in integration is very limited. Moozend also doesn't offer additional marketing tools such as landing pages, which means you can combine Moozend with other systems to suit your needs. While Moozend is a small company compared to some of its more established competitors, its affordable pricing structure suits businesses on a tight budget, and its range of industry-leading email features ensure you don't have to compromise on functionality. Moozend provides users with an easy way to send emails to existing subscriber lists. Like other email marketing providers, Moozend includes a step-by-step campaign creation wizard that guides users through the process of creating email campaigns. To start a new campaign, users must first select the campaign type normal or test A/B campaign. Regular campaigns are one-off emails sent to existing subscriber list, while A/B test campaigns allow you to compare different email variations to maximize performance and delivery. Moozend has several A/B split testing options, and you can test variations on things like the subject of your email and the content in each email to choose the one that gives the best conversion results. After choosing your campaign type and subscriber list, you can create newsletters using the Moozend's drag-and-drop campaign editor. The editor is intended for beginners, which means that users with no technical or programming skills can easily create engaging newsletters from scratch using movable containers and elements. There are about 40 built-in templates available, useful for a wide variety of industries, from real estate to e-commerce.